here. Dude, it's May, and this is the last month for Ringling Brothers Circus. Did you guys hear about this?
I'm related to them.
You are? There you go, then you know. Ringling Brothers Circus is going out of business this month. And it's because their best clown became president. Dude, did you know Donald Trump came to San Jose? He did, last year. I went to go check it out because I saw everything on TV, all the madness, the protests. So I went to go check out the protests. I wore my favorite shirt. It said the 70s, right? So anyways, I go watch this and it's just like the TV. Protest, violent. A Trump supporter came up to me and goes, "We're gonna get you Mexicans out this city. Once Trump gets in office, you Mexicans are gonna be out. And you're gay." So I just said the first thing that came to my head. I said, "If you want penis mañana." That's my best material, guys.